This here's the Bestech Operator in dual tone D2, G10. It's got a nice G10 backspacer, deep pocket clip. Recessed screws are not there, but that's alright. There's plenty of clearance. It's a decent knife, amazing action. It's well centered, and you can spidey flick it. Piece of cake on that. It does drop shut even. It's got amazing ball bearing action. And it's a comfortable forward and reverse carry. I like how these Bestech thumb deep pocket just let your middle finger rest nice on there, and this rests nice right here for reverse carry. And for another resting spot for deep up work, you have a nice thumb ramp and decent jimping right here too as well. So this is the Bestech Operator, and it's fully mission capable.